Hey guys, so today I'm going to be um doing like three tricks. I'm going to be um teaching like there's three tricks also. They're like weird like is I had zippo. So um alright, so for trick number like one is like you have to open it up, um do like that, you have like your hand across it like way forward, and or the kid that just like comes back on, or you can like snap it, or they can like, hey, come back. Ah, ooh, there's fucking magic, brother. Alright, for trick number um two, like in three, or like I probably should like show it to you, but alright, like just like show it to you, but so like so the wick is if you can like see that, probably not. Maybe you can see it like this. What the fuck am I saying? Alright. So for the wick, I think you to bend it towards the other other way. So to bend it um down towards his way, um and what the does the cards have playing to like I don't know like if I can like show you like here like or not, but um it ouch much it like toward like like here, but yes, I thought you like then for tricks number two like in number three, for that one you can just like flick it open, you know snap it, and or you can like do it like this, and which is like and if it's not too um too good, I guess, but you can be able to do that like this, like that, or like. And then for the fourth one, which I think we got to say, what is two? Two there, like you're like bleeding, like that, and you just like at, which I mean is extremely like easy. So yeah, or you can just look like that, and like sometimes like I can't like really like do this, but you can, and it's gone. It's magic.